Times have changed. We all know that. In light of recent global events, every facet of the ag industry has been affected. Though things are different, our objectives are not. We're still making every effort to provide mechanical solutions that help farmers keep on farming. Farm shows are a blessing to our community. By promoting the collaboration and connectedness responsible for advancing ag technology, we can all play a part in developing best practices for the future of farming. September 15th through the 17th, Red E Engineering, as a fifth-year participant of the Big Iron, will be hosting a display at our usual spot near the west entrance of the fairgrounds. Here are the developments we will be highlighting: stainless auger, stainless conveyor, hydraulic drive conversion, stainless drill rebuild, seed bag lift, and more. Show your support of the farming community by attending the 2020 Big Iron Farm Show. Remember, there is still a future in farming. Let's get there together.